go.
Here we are.
All right, so we're gonna do our haul. I took my glasses off because the reflection in here. As long as I don't have to read anything,
We good.
I'm good. So anyway,
So
if I need to read anything, that's you. You gotta read. You gotta read for me.
So what we said, we had 3 stops on Sunday.
Yes.
So
They were good.
they were good. Very small. We did a little bit of filming.
Yeah.
I might throw it in the video. Might not. We'll see.
Yeah, I'm not sure exactly how good it was. We did a little bit. I mean,
the places
were
so small. Yeah.
The one place where we went to the guy's house to do the picking at his house, it was we were literally like this on top of each other. We were like in the same spot, kind of digging through stuff. So we'll see.
Where you want to start?
I'd say just pick something, and I'll pick from this side, and you can go from that side.
I want to go here.
Oh yeah,
those are the first things we found.
These are so good. These are so good.
Check these out, y'all. Look at that.
So these are
Briar fox, briar rabbit.
Yeah, and you got the
and
the bear.
We got an
extra rabbit, but you got the
And then we have, I don't even remember his name.
He just
Yep, briar bear.
Bear.
So look at that.
Those are good. So we have an extra rabbit we can sell separately. We'll sell obviously these 3 together. Those will go on eBay.
Yeah, this will be an eBay set.
Okay, so the guy charged us $57. I gave him $60.
Yep. This was the garage sale pick.
Yeah.
Yep.
So with this one sale, we would get our money back.
Yep.
Yeah, and then we'll sell this one separate.
So I'm gonna set these over here.
Super cute.
Super cute.
So
we love us some Disney stuff.
So yeah, and that's our favorite ride.
I know.
That's our favorite ride.
Mountain.
We're like kids, and we literally will get off of it and get right back on. I don't care how long the line is. We get in line, we chit chat with people. That's our favorite. And then
we go, ah!
Yeah, I mean
she does.
Yeah,
I'm a hands up kind of guy going down the hill.
I scream and holler. But okay, the estate sale we went to. We spent $18 there.
Yep.
But I got this. This is not marked, but this is so pretty. And you know how it is. You find these out and about and they're chipped. This one is not. So this one is in great condition. It's not marked on the bottom.
Good piece though.
But yeah, I mean, just the detail on that little roses.
Is that going to be on eBay or is that going to be on the auction?
On the whatnots?
On the whatnots.
I don't know.
She don't know, y'all.
I'm going to think about this.
She's going to think about it because we ain't had time to even focus.
No. So, also at the same estate sale, little trinket box, and these are cute. I mean, it's got the little birds on it, and oh my gosh, what does that say?
That says made in Japan.
Japan, okay, because I don't know.
What does that mean, made in Japan?
It means old.
It means it's vintage.
Okay, so and then the little birds, and I think I was showing you the back of them, y'all. I'm just winging
She's blind.
Winging it. All right, what you got?
Really cool stuff. We talked about the spend that we had at the garage sale.
Yeah.
Well, we've already shown you that the Briar Patch Gang is going to make our money back.
Yes.
Y'all check these out. So for the people that are not in North Carolina, this is Bob Timberlake, famous artist from North Carolina.
Who literally lives down the street from us.
Lives down the street. Does fantastic work. And his work is highly sought after.
Yes. I've sold his paintings before, or prints, not paintings, prints. This is hand signed. A lot of them are print signed, but this one is hand signed.
Big money.
So this would sell for about $3 something, maybe $400.
Yep.
I've sold these before. I had one that was signed on the back. I had a little note, and it was said best wishes, and it was signed by him. And that one sold for almost $400. So those are great.
That $60 is paying off.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
So anyway, this is something you picked up.
That was at the estate sale.
We like bottles. We love old bottles. If we could find another bottle lot like we got in the past, it'd be great.
Yeah. So this is the bitters. Medicine bottles.
Yeah.
What's cool about this one and unique is the color. That's highly sought after.
Yeah,
and
the purples.
This thing is like the day it was made, y'all. This thing is just spectacular. So we're gonna find out. 75 off though. That was a good buy.
Oh yeah, because we only spent $18. But I found these there too. These were $1.50, but the colors. The colors in these napkins are fantastic. And there's a set of 6. So these were just great. This is just screaming like 60s, 70s.
Oh yeah, that's good stuff
but
there.
Yeah, love these colors in this, so I grabbed those.
Is that Whatnot? Is that eBay?
I think these might go on Whatnot because I've got a girl that's been asking me for.
That's exactly right. That's what we were.
Some
So we did some picking just for her, for sure.
Yeah. So I might do that for her.
For her to have an opportunity to buy because it is an auction.
Yeah, yeah.
Y'all, we talked about Bob Timberlake. Big money. Y'all, look here.
Let me see it.
Let me see if I can get the glare out. How about that? Look how big this one is.
Yeah, that's a good size one.
So we looked this one up. This is going to be some Benjamins here, y'all. This is good stuff.
How many Benjamins? I don't remember.
That's a $300 to $400 one.
Yeah.
Now, that's if it's not signed. If it's signed, this one's matted, and we think the signature is on the bottom right here in the center based on what I looked up. And it'll also tell me what number the print is.
Yeah, so you got to do a little work on the back.
Yeah, so I just got to, I'm going to have to take the frame apart, which is nailed in, but I don't mind doing to figure all that out.
Yeah, so that way we can sell it, properly and tell people what it is and that sort of thing. So, this guy, I don't know if he's going to get shown in the video because I don't know how much of that you're going to use, but this guy. This
guy's cool, y'all. This is right up my alley.
The rabbit riding the chicken.
Easter Bunny is taking a hike on a chicken.
And that's Department 56. But yeah, look at that guy.
I have so many jokes, y'all, about this guy. Not made for YouTube.
Oh my gosh.
We'll just say he's riding a chicken.
Use your imagination. Okay, so, but yeah, this guy. I'm going to start Department 56. I did not think so because, look, it's wood. I didn't expect it to be Department 56.
We haven't looked him up yet, by the way.
No.
And I'm curious to see what this one is because I think this was going to be an old one.
I liked him.
Mm-hmm.
What you got?
What don't we have sitting in here?
True.
Yeah. It's my turn. Y'all,
oh gosh.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh.
Don't tread on me, boys and girls. That's as good as it gets. That's probably going to hang on Daddy's wall in his office.
Okay. We're not going to get into anything.
Because you know what that guy told me? He said, I'm just going to let you have that. Thank you. Daddy will take that.
Well, anyway, I'm just going to move on. What else we got? Oh, I saw
Here we go.
This.
Like we needed another one of these.
But you don't see these every day.
She said, but.
Okay, so it's got the little picture on the front,
Super cute.
But look at this. You're going to have to read this.
So we are always going to buy books.
What does that say? What year?
This is the year I was born, y'all.
Oh, gosh.
This is an old one. This is 1969.
Yeah, I like these. Some naughty kid, I see did some crayon in there, but that'll come out.
But these pages are crisp like the day she was printed, boys and girls.
Yeah.
That is a good one. We're always going to buy books. We are absolutely always going to buy books. There's no doubt about it.
And especially stuff like this. I mean, these little board books, these are fantastic. So
I like the way that one's made.
Yeah, I do too.
So that's a good one.
So yeah. Super cheap. This was 75% off, so. And it only started out at $2. I couldn't believe it was still there.
You want to show that one?
Yeah.
Because you picked it out.
Yeah. Just a brown little vase.
That is not hand blown.
It is not hand blown. But I do like it. I like the colors in it.
But we sell a lot of glass.
Yeah, lots of glass. Just a little vase. Cute.
We sell a lot of glass. Y'all, this came from the flea market. And I'll have videos of the flea market for sure.
Not the flea market.
No,
this was Carolina Thrift.
Oh.
We did pick up something
Sorry,
like this.
Wrong day, y'all. This is from the Thrift Center. I don't know why I said
Carolina
flea market.
Thrift. Yeah, and you can tell by their pricing on the bottom.
But these are Homco, okay?
Set of two.
A set of two.
We'll sell them separate.
Check out the little Mises. Is it mice or Mises?
Meese. Is it like geese? Meese?
Goose, geese, or gooses? What do you say?
Or meese?
Yeah, Mises. The moose loose in the hoose. Anyway, y'all, we talking about these cute little Homcos. They'll be sold tonight for sure.
Yeah, those will get sold. I picked up this tin, and this one, I know you can't feel it, but if you could.
It's raised.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's textured. I think that says made in England.
Let me see that thing. While she's talking here. Made in England. Sure is.
Mm-hmm.
How about that? Daddy don't have his glasses on. He can read that.
My eyes have gotten terrible. Can't see. So yeah, I like that one.
Might as well show them those while we're here.
I did like this. This
is a good one.
I pick up these vintage bandanas.
This is a good one.
I need to be flipped.
Here, let's do it like this. Let me hold that while you talk.
Yeah. Oshkosh. And then it says Union Made right there. And, I mean, these were nothing.
For the people that don't know, what's Union Made?
Old.
Union Made is very vintage. They don't print that anymore.
And I picked up this bandana also. I always look at these. I can't read it right now, but I know that it says.
What you want it to say?
It says Made in the USA. I know that.
This one says Made in the USA.
See?
Imported fabric, but it has a Paris logo on it.
Yes. So, if you haven't seen these before, you might want to look these up if you're a reseller. The old bandanas, I keep having to hit this camera so we can see where we're at. But, yeah, they bring a lot of money.
They do well.
So, for very little money that I spent on these, we'll get a good return on that.
All right, we're going to try to wrap this up.
Yeah.
We got a few more items. We got a lot of stuff.
We got a lot of stuff. We'll show you a few more things.
We're going to show you some of the good stuff.
Yeah. These were good, I thought. I forget his name. It was something Roy Smith.
Yep, you saved
James.
it. I want to see if she can read her phone, y'all. She's trying to look up on the phone where she saved it.
Oh, my gosh. No, wait a minute.
Click on that.
What does it say?
That says Charles Roy Smith. He's a local North Carolina artist.
Yeah.
And she
these
got
are
two
so
of his.
pretty.
Yeah, these are good prints.
So we're going to show you these two.
Here, let me have it. I'll hold it. You can talk.
But yeah, these I think were probably, what did we say on these? $80?
$80 a piece.
Maybe $80 a piece.
Yeah.
This one's really pretty.
Snow scene, church scenes, both of them.
Yeah, so that one's nice.
So one horse and buggy in a church scene, and then one just barn scene, snow.
Yeah. So those were nice. We couldn't tell at first who they were. We couldn't see a signature, couldn't see a name or anything like that. I had to do a little research, but it worked out. Because at the private pick at the guy's house, I mean, I think people just, they don't
avoid old prints.
Yeah, or they don't do the research or whatever, but to me, it's worth it. And it did pay off for us.
From a collector standpoint, y'all, we sell prints every week. We make a lot of money on prints.
We sent some out this morning.
We shipped some this morning, sure did.
Yeah.
From an estate sale back in the summer.
Yeah. So this is
this thing's cool, y'all.
It's just an older one.
Look at this.
It's a little stocking hanger.
A little stocking hanger. Now, Daddy wants to know something. What's he gonna hold? Because this thing weighs about 2 ounces.
I know. I think these are just meant to be
displayed.
Kind of cute.
Yeah.
I don't know that it would hold a whole lot.
No, you're not going to hold a stocking with it.
But it's old and it's super cute. So I grabbed them. You know.
I'll stick with the Christmas while we're doing it. Go ahead. You can talk.
Yeah, those are, I forget, cherished teddies or something like that.
Cherished teddies. Frank and Helen.
I don't know much about this. The reason I got it is because it was in good condition and we had the box.
And Christmas is selling like wildfire right now.
Yeah, so I got it because I knew, a lot of times people want the box and everything with it. So
we got such a good deal though. This is stuff we can throw on whatnot and
true.
For $5 and let it roll. If it sells for $5, it sells for $5.
So probably the last things we'll show you are these prints here. This is called First Sermon.
Yep.
And you can show that one.
Really good prints here, y'all.
Yeah, so these are old. What'd you say?
These are actually, I don't think these are prints. I'll have to dig a little deeper. But
like a lithograph? Yeah,
this might be a litho, I believe. But this is 1869 to 1890 something.
So this is called First Sermon. You see the girl and she looks nice and neat and everything like that. But this one is called Second Sermon. And she's looking a little rough. She's had to stay there all day.
Yep.
She took her hat off. She's sleepy. She's tired.
Mm-hmm.
So this is probably in the evening where she's wore out. So yeah, first sermon,
second sermon.
So those are neat, and those would probably, from what we can tell, would be listed for about $110 a piece, and that's basically what we saw selling price on those.
You know what Daddy likes, don't you?
Benjamins.
Daddy likes his Benjamins.
You know that. So anyway, I think that's all we're going to show.
Yeah, the rest of the stuff's more knick-knacky, just
Yeah.
stuff to throw and whatnot and keep the crowd rolling, maybe do some free giveaways.
Yeah, so we're going to, right now, because we do have a show tonight.
4:30 tonight.
At 4:30, and it's approaching 12:30. I think we're going to eat. You know what?
Mm-hmm.
Scott threw some stuff in the crock pot. It was, what kind of meat was that?
It was a chuck roast.
Chuck roast. I'm not the cook in the family, but
which
anyway.
I normally smoke on my smoker.
Yeah, but it was so good.
And it was good.
Yeah. So the chuck roast and the crock pot. We got leftovers from yesterday. We're about to have some of that.
I was sitting there staring at it last night, y'all, while we was eating. She said, "Why are you staring at it? Is it okay?"
Yeah, I was like, "What? Why are you
I'm
looking at
like,
it?"
"Do you know how hard I work smoking this stuff to get that dark, crusty bark?"
Yeah.
I said, "Look at this thing. This is better than it comes off the cooker."
And it did.
And I cooked it in the crock pot.
It
So
was so weird. But anyway, mashed potatoes and gravy.
Mm-hmm.
So we got some of that left over. I think we're getting ready to have that.
yep, we're gonna eat her up.
So we'll eat, and that way, by the time we get ready for whatnot, because we're not gonna get to eat very much.
Daddy might get a nap today.
I don't know.
That ain't happening.
So tonight, because we're going on at 4:30, there won't be much supper.
Nope.
It'll be late if we do eat. We'll have to grab a snack or something.
Yep.
If that. So
Y'all, thanks for tuning in. We appreciate y'all hanging in with us and going through this stuff. We love shopping for it, number one.
yeah,
We love whatnot because people are reaching out to us, asking us if we can be on the lookout for stuff.
and we still love eBay.
And we love eBay.
We just have so much on eBay right now that it's.
So we got 2 stores on eBay. We're over 4,000 items listed. That's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot. So it's not needing as much attention right
So
now.
what we're doing is like we're being really, really selective what we purchase to go on eBay. It's got to be something really good, like these prints. These prints will go in there and
There's
make us a lot of
specific
money.
things that will still go on eBay.
Yeah.
But the quick money that we're actually seeing from whatnot is actually really good right now.
Nice to have.
Yeah.
Christmas is coming. We got to buy something for them grandkids.
The only thing I will say, and if anybody wants us to do a show specifically on whatnot, we can do that. Talking about the ins and outs and what we've learned.
There's a lot to learn on it.
Because there is a lot to learn. And there is one specific thing that we've learned that can be very helpful if you're a reseller. But so if that's something that you want us to do.
Did we learn it the hard way?
We always learn it the hard way.
We did.
But that's okay. We didn't lose money.
Nope.
But there was some things we could have done better. We could have kept more money in our pocket. I can put it to you like that. So if there's something like that, if you're a reseller and you want to know more about that, we can definitely dig into that.
We can get her did.
Yeah.
Bridges.
Anyway.
Y'all, we appreciate y'all more than we could ever say.
Oh yeah. Thank you very much.
Y'all.
If you are liking what we're putting out, please like and subscribe.
What do we say? Pound that button.
Yeah, we're trying to grow this channel. So thank you.
Yeah, appreciate it, y'all. We'll be back soon.
And we'll see you next time.
Take care.